welcome back to Lucky Sequel channel. Today we are going to unbox this Realme 11 Pro. Before going through this, we'll see the details. It has 8GB RAM and 256GB storage with the OLED display, contains 5G technology. Here's the phone. The Realme 11 Pro. See the back case. Beautiful camera. Here's the camera, and here is its charging point. Very nice. So here, if we take this, we have its adapter and its charger. Now this one. This contains the manual and a pin to remove and put the SIM cards and phone case. Now I'm going to turn on this phone. Wow, what a clear display and brightness! Now I'm going to select my language and region. Now all the legal information. Now I'm going to connect this phone through Wi-Fi or network. And here I am going to copy the data from my old device to this new device. As I didn't have the C2C cable, I connected the OTG cable to the normal charging wire. So now it becomes C2C cable. After the data is copied, the phone is ready to use. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned.